This is the Mr. Anch Spiff Kit, new for fall 21. These DOP kits come in two separate sizes, large and small. Work great for organizing toiletries for travel. Also double as great organizational pouches for in the field, in the backcountry, in a vehicle or boat, or elsewhere. Both sizes come in two fabrics, a 330 Robic nylon, as well as the waxed wood. Both sizes open up with a clamshell style zipper to give access to the inner contents. There's plenty of organization on both sides. Two zipper detail pockets on the front. The bottom pouch is set up with 3 internal dividers, as well as plenty of bungee to store smaller items. The top also has 3 internal dividers, bungee, and a piece of web and a hook to hang. The large works great as a toiletry bag. We also have this one set up as a full-size med kit for a vehicle or the backcountry. The small Spiff Kit, this is in the waxed wood fabric, also has a clamshell zipper to give access to 2 compartments. This is great as a small DOP kit. You'll see on one side we have a center zip as a divider, and the other side has a horseshoe zip with a couple small dividing pockets on the inside. This is great for travel, as a small DOP kit, etc. We also have a few of these set up as a backcountry snow safety or medical kit. This one I've got some extra batteries, some tools, inclinometer, buckle repair kit, and some additional snow safety equipment in here. They also work great for hunting. You could keep some knives, kill kit, tags, etc. These Spiff Kits come in 4 different colorways: techno blue, waxed wood, foliage, and black.